Namaste everyone. Welcome to dvirus.in. Let's start our video.
Two-step verification is very important, especially for global administrator account while resetting password. Let's configure SMS and email authentication. First, go to security info. Then you will see an add sign-in method. So select phone. Click on add. Then enter your mobile number. Text. Enter the text you received. Next. Done. Now the second R is the email. So again add sign in method. Select email. Click on add. Enter your email ID. Enter the code which you received on your email ID. Next. Done. Thank you.
Thank you for listening and please visit my website dvirus.in. Thank you.